Hello, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a first impressions on this Aliexpress vendor that I love. No, but seriously, I love this vendor for 613 blonde hair. If you purchase virgin hair regularly, you would know that 613 blonde hair is usually more expensive because they have to do the processing themselves. And they have to make sure the integrity of the hair stays in a great condition. So they put the price up because it's more work for them. And it's very rare to find a good company that sells some good quality blonde hair. This vendor, let me just give y'all the information. This vendor is from Aliexpress. Her name is Carina Hair Official. Now, I purchased 3 bundles and a 3x4 ear-to-ear lace frontal closure of Brazilian human hair. My bundles are 12 inches and the closure is 10 inches, and I paid $137.24. $137.24. So we're gonna open the package and we're gonna show you how exactly it comes when you order it. First things first, I ordered this hair when? I ordered this hair February 12th, 2018, and it arrived February 16th, 2018. 4 days. 4 days. Oh, actually, it arrived February 15th, 2018, but I was not home to receive the package, so they took it back to FedEx, and I had to wait another day for it to come when I was home. So it comes FedEx Express in a large pack, nothing fancy. The hair is just inside the pack. Nothing special. A lot of the times you can't expect too much with AliExpress vendors because they're cutting out the middleman. You're going straight to the vendor, and it's no frills. You get your hair, and sometimes they do a little extra, but they don't really need to because the cost is so low. And look at this. They even sent me a little gift. Some lashes. Now it's nice. They didn't even have to do that. So the hair comes packed like this. This is the 10-inch frontal. Comes with the hairnet around it. I did shoot this before and the quality was horrible, so I'm doing it again. But this is still my first impressions. So here's the actual frontal. It's the front. Here's the back. It is reinforced at the bottom where they folded it over and just sewed it ever so nicely. Texture of the hair is very soft, very soft. See if we get, okay, so we have one strand. See if we get any more shedding. I popped this hair strand, but yeah, so minimal to no shedding straight out the package. Baby hairs look like they only seem to be in the middle here, but that's okay because I'm probably not going to use these baby hairs. I'll create my own, or we won't have any baby hairs at all. Just thoroughly checking it, I do see some stray red hairs. Yes, it's about, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 red hairs. It's just some random hairs, I guess, that got caught with the bunch of blonde hair when they were putting the actual frontal together. Those aren't really going to be a problem because the majority of the hair is blonde, so I won't be doing any bleaching to those random strands. You could just pluck them out if they really bother you. But yeah, the hair is soft. The luster is very nice and natural. Usually you would see blonde hair that's very, it looks very dry because the bleach takes a toll on the actual hair and it strips the hair of its natural texture. So this frontal is very nice. The hair quality is very nice as well. The density on this, I would say, is about 100 to, yeah, about 100. They have some lighter. Carina's smart. Around here, your hair thins. In the front of your natural hairline, your hair thins at these sections. There's less hair. The density is lower on these sections of the frontal because it's mimicking an actual hairline. It is thicker in the middle because in the middle of at least my hairline, it is very thick in this section over here, thinner on these sections, and then it goes to thicker again on the very sideburns of your hairline. This frontal mimics the natural hairline of a regular human being, so that's great. I'm feeling this. Other than that, 3 bundles of 12 inches. Let's just take one out because they all should be the same. Comes with a black band around it, yellow band under. There should be 4 grams of hair. Very thick. Very soft. Very, very soft. The color is beautiful. The hair feels amazing. I'm not getting any shedding at all. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells like baby doll hair. I love it. So it looks like these, it's double wefted, so your wefts are thicker than average. You can see for yourself. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 2 wefts together, which makes it double wefted. Very, very, very nice. A1. Let's do a comparison of the frontal to the hair, the color. The luster on the frontal seems a little higher than the luster on the hair. Even so, they mesh very well, and I'm satisfied. The under bundles are pretty much the same, I'm hoping. We're just gonna check. Yes, very nice. Very, very, very nice. So, this is 613. Beautiful hair. Smells amazing. Carina Hair Official. I love this vendor because they have the great prices. That's number 1. The hair is great quality. I will be dyeing this hair, so you will see how well the hair takes to semi-permanent dye. It shouldn't have any problems at all because it's blonde. Putting color on top of it should work very well. I don't know what color I will be doing yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, I will be making a non-natural colored bob. I'm thinking orange or maybe pink. We might do a pastel pink. Let me know what you think I should do with this hair and get you some of this hair as well. So the next video will probably be another review on Aliexpress affordable vendor. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what else you want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.